As you can see, I flew in bad weather and it was fine. I did not conformal coat any of my drones, and this time I flew with the same quad 4 or 5 packs and it went all fine, nothing to worry about. I did get some water on the Gopro lens and on the camera lens itself, but nothing apart from that. At the end it's a bit tricky to see what's happening, and it was the same in the goggles, but it was fine, it was okay. I could still fly a bit and it was fun, so no more excuses, get out and get flying.
Doubters, to those who don't believe, this is the hour. You'll see that we'll make ladders out of obstacles and stepping stones from roadblocks. Leap over the lines to say we won't cross. We'll trick canyons like they're nothing, they won't see us coming. Scale all of the walls they built to hold us. They may be blind to me, just wait and see. Just wait and see. Just wait and see. To all the haters, those filled with jealousy, the naysayers, for defeat. But we'll make ladders out of obstacles and stepping stones from roadblocks. Leap over the lines to say we won't cross. We'll trick canyons like they're nothing, they won't see us coming. Scale all of the walls they built to hold us.